It's time for your business to speed into the future with 5G. From smart cities and smart homes to drones and driverless cars, 5G promises to unleash a whole new world of possibilities for business. But first, let's explore just what makes 5G such a transformative technology. First up, it's potentially a lot faster. Imagine turbocharging your cloud applications or delivering new hyper-immersive experiences quick. With 5G, the delay is vastly reduced, which means increased responsiveness for applications. When every millisecond counts, 5G shines. And with increased capacity, performance will be more reliable in more places, reaching more devices more intelligently. In a future world of millions of connected devices, 5G has the scale to manage congestion. 5G is also smarter. Spectrum technologies like small cells and beamforming will help deliver more reliable coverage. The combined capabilities of 5G will open up new potential for business. For instance, you'll be able to work in the cloud, at scale, on the go. Imagine an instant pop-up branch or retail store with one 5G device powering many users. Or autonomous vehicles that use 5G to sense and react quickly to surroundings. Mass industrial automation, where information is processed in near real time, would be possible. These are just the tip of the iceberg. At Telstra, we've charted a history of innovation to get Australia connected. And we've been charging at the 5G horizon so that your business can move first and move fast. Imagine a future where immersive experiences can be delivered on the go. Imagine tapping into augmented reality to help teams work safer and smarter. Imagine saving lives in real time, remotely. Imagine the possibilities, and together we can help make it real.